Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the profile picture on Depop. So first of all, you need to simply launch your Depop application. Then when you are on this particular screen, you need to tap on the option of My Depop in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Now over here, tap on this gear icon on the top right hand corner. Then you need to tap on the option of profile. Now over here, when you are inside the profile section, you are going to see this type of camera icon. So this is exactly the option that is going to allow you to set your profile picture. So you need to simply just tap on it. Then you just have to tap on the option of add an image. Now over here from your gallery, you need to select the image that you want to set. Then when you are done with the cropping, you need to simply tap on the option of save in order to save your changes. Just keep in mind that Depop currently allows you to change your profile picture only through the application. So you won't find this particular option in the web version. So if you don't see the option, you can update your Depop application to the latest version and then you can try again. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.